Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to add an image to your items. What you're going to want to do is go to the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us, then go to your menu up here at the top left, and go down to Account Menu. And then you're going to choose the item that you want to add it to. So I'm going to choose this 50 tacos one. Okay, and then once you're in here, there's a box that says Set Image. Click on that. Then there'll be an option to upload image. Click that. And then it brings up your images. So you search for the location just in case you have your images somewhere else. I have mine in pictures. So I'm just going to choose this taco one here. I'm going to choose that. Open. Now here it's going to give you a little preview of what the button's going to look like. And it does kind of center in a certain spot. So you might have to make sure your picture size is accurate. But it does kind of focus in on just a small portion in the middle of the picture. So you may have to change your canvas size with whatever whatever editing tool you're using. And then you give it a name. And call it taco. From menu items, and we're going to upload down here at the bottom. And now it's added, but it's just, all it is it's added to the group of pictures right now. So we also have to click it again, and then it adds it to the item, and then you hit save. Wait for your successful down here, and it's done. Don't forget to publish changes, otherwise it won't show up. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.